We're in deep shit, ladies and gentlemen. The meme market is beginning to crash once again. We've seen it once before when Leonardo DiCaprio won the Oscars in 2016. Thousands of memes went stale instantly. People were unable to generate new content, and only half of the memes that were made for that night could actually have been released. In fact, the only thing that pulled us out of that was Harambe. The last time we saw something as bad as this was with Pepsi. Pepsi tried to bridge the gap in our nation with the famous Caitlyn Jenner commercial, but instead, they only made it wider. However, they have finally calmed down several months later, and now we have the drink of a new generation. The newest problem with our society today is fidget spinners. While it started as an innocent post on Reddit, then after that, it became widespread. YouTubers everywhere began making videos about them, children began buying them. This has gotten out of hand. Not even Pepsi can save us this time, folks. Alright, I've figured out a way to be able to save us from fidget spinners. But first I need to take a break. Alright guys, I figured out how to destroy fidget spinners. Now we just gotta get outside. Shit, my Pepsi! Alright guys, we're outside and it's time to get rid of fidget spinners once and for all. Alright guys, I think we've successfully destroyed the fidget spinners. Thanks for watching and have a good one.